Breaking news, Treasury CS John Mbadi has given a tough ultimatum. By next week, all government departments must fully switch to Kenya's new e-procurement system. Speaking on an interview with a popular local channel, Mbadi said the platform will automate the entire process, from budgeting to payment. No more manual loopholes for corruption. He made it clear, no procurement can happen without a budget uploaded into the system. Kenya already spent $2.9 million, which is about 375 million Kenyan shillings, to build the system back in the year 2022, yet it stalled. Now Mbadi says there is no going back, and irregular procurement will be punished just like illegality. The system is strict. Once a document is uploaded, you can't delete or edit it. If there is a mistake, you start over. Mbadi admits that's making some officials uncomfortable, but it's the very feature that is meant to stop corruption. And despite rumors, Parliament has not revoked the system. Only Cabinet can, and Mbadi insists there will be no return to manual procurement. This new e-procurement system, launched in April 2025, is now mandatory nationwide. The government says it's a game changer for transparency and accountability. What do you think? Will this system finally end corruption in government tenders? Or will officials find new tricks? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit like if you support digital transparency. And don't forget to share this with your friends.